In front of me is ZTE Blade A73, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. All you need to do is open tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If the shortcut is grey, that means that location is off, so to turn it back on, click on it one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!